Good morning, Caleb with Guarantee RV in Junction City here today. We're going to be showing you a 2017 Chaparral 29 BHS fifth wheel. It is a used one, but it's a 2017, so people owned it for barely a year and decided they wanted something new. So it's basically brand new, but at a used price. It's got awesome storage right here, pass through, another big storage unit up front too, where you can put a generator if you choose to do so. You got a big power awning outside. There are slide toppers on each slide out, 3 total. Inside you got a pretty open floor plan in the middle living area, big island, big countertop, a lot of space here. It's got a really big pantry here with slide out drawers. They latch in so they're not moving when you're going down the road. A lot more kitchen storage over here. Goes all the way down, 8 cubic foot fridge. A lot more storage up there by the entertainment center as well. It's got the big U-shaped dinette so you can fit the whole family around and play cards. And then back here, this is the unique part about this floor plan. It's got 4 bunks and a storage unit in the middle. Even if you're only sleeping 2 people, this makes for a great area for storage on the top bunk. And then if you go up here into the bedroom, bathroom area, you got a big roomy bathroom. The shower has a small step to get in so you're not tripping. Good sized bedroom up here too with storage on both sides and a shelf. There is a TV mount back here too so you can put a TV in. And then it's got this big closet. This is actually a slide out itself that's dedicated to all closet. So big closet there and then some more in the bathroom. So yeah, 2017 Chaparral 29 BHS. If you got any questions, again, my name's Caleb and you can reach me at 541-321-2328. Thank you.